Hello, I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you 3 simple ways to organize your Tupperware. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So before we continue, even though I'll be saying Tupperware a lot, I also mean glass food storage. I actually have glass food storage or glassware in my home. So please keep that in mind, even though you will be hearing me say Tupperware, because I know many of you guys have Tupperware in your home. So let's continue. So the first simple way to organize your glassware is to place them in bins. In my home, I have a particular type of Tupperware I like to place in bins. And the reason being is because their lids are just different from my others. And it's just much easier for me to place these type of items or these type of Tupperware in bin than it is the other, just to give you a disclaimer. So what I like to do is to separate the Tupperware according to their size. So I have a bin that's for my small Tupperware. I have a bin that's for the larger one. I have a bin for all of the lids because I love to separate my Tupperware. And I also have a bin for my flat, more square type Tupperware. What this does is it creates division, and creating division makes it so easy for you to place your items back in their designated spaces. I have seen that in my home, and every time I create division with a bin, it helps maintain a space, which is important when you organize your space. So the second simple way to organize your Tupperware is to place them either inside or on top of a shelf organizer. The type of shelf organizer I'm using is this particular one. I actually purchased it from Walmart, and it came with a pack of 2 for about $14.99. I think that's a pretty good steal, and the quality is pretty on point. So what I like to do is to separate my Tupperware, because what I've experienced is when they're separated, it's much easier for me to grab, and also it creates more space. So what I like to do is to place all of the lids either inside of the shelf organizer or on top, and then I just place the base on the bottom or underneath. This makes grabbing them so much easier, and it makes putting them back much easier, and it allows me to add more Tupperware in that space, because when you separate them, you're able to stack them together and create more space for more. So the third simple way to organize your Tupperware is to place them in drawers. So what I like to do is to actually use a drawer divider to separate the lids from the base. And I do this by placing the drawer divider about 2 inches from the front of the drawer, which creates a section for all of your lids. And then I like to place the base of the Tupperware behind it. This allows you to add more Tupperware to your drawer. Plus, because the drawer is low, it allows you to have easily accessibility to your Tupperware. For me, I like to use glass food storage or glassware. So that means that they're much heavier than the plastic ones. And when you place them in drawers, it makes them much more easily accessible. This is the method that I like to use in most of my clients' homes, especially if they have drawers, because again, when things are easily accessible, when things have designated space, when things have division, you're more likely to keep that space organized, and you're more likely to maintain it for the future. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. These are just 3 simple ways to organize your Tupperware. Of course, there's many other ways to do so, but these are the 3 simple ways I like to use in either my home or my clients' homes. So I have a question for you guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you prefer using Tupperware or glassware or glass food storage. Let me know. All right, you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye. By the way, guys, can you see that I'm staying within theme and I'm wearing a red top? You know, love month and all.